Okay, so I'm getting some feedback about elaboration and why stuff. Like, okay, so one of my dear friends, I sent him a clip of one of my videos, and he was like, okay, make sure you elaborate when speaking about so we were talking about natural law. He was like, make sure you elaborate as far as like applying natural law to your everyday life. And I feel like that I did, but maybe I didn't. So I want one of the things that I was asked to cover was the 7 layers aspect. So I go in a couple of my videos and I talk about how this universe is dimensional. Frequency is 7 or 7.23 or whatever. So everything in this universe comes out in 7s. So I didn't really elaborate on that enough, I guess. So I guess I need to do that. So with further elaboration on the 7 dimension situation, it is you know, our frequency, our vibrational rate, our atoms constantly in motion, their synchronicity of motion, essentially, like how they you know, they all rotate together simultaneously and in union at this frequency. Because of this, we have 7 planes of existence, 7 chakras to the human body, 7 layers of skin, 7 alchemical transmutations. The Da Vincian principles are also 7. Alchemy is 7 processes. Like everything is in 7s. There's, you know, the ruling planets are 7. Or the ruling heavenly bodies are 7. You know, I mean, it's, everything is 7. 7 is a magical number. And the reason for that is, you know, because of the vibration of this universe. And I'm not sure if this is just the 7th go around, you know, like Ultimate Source was like, well, we did this 6 times already. Let's go one more. You know, I have no clue why 7 is the number of our dimension. I just know that it is, you know, or like that 7s are everywhere. And that's cool because, you know, when you are piecing the puzzle together from different, you know, things that you study from different cultures, from different, you know, references, whatever, you know, if there's 7 of whatever it is, that it's accurate or that it'll match or that it fits, whatever. Which is really cool. And, you know, like, there's, everything lines up, you know, everything, it matches, you know. There are 7, in the Emerald Tablets, there are 7, and I really feel like this must have a lot to do with it, but in the Emerald Tablets, there are 7, lords, is how they're described, 7 peacekeepers, 7 guardians, watchers, sons of light, helpers, beings, not of our universe, or maybe of our universe, but not of our time. I'm not sure. These 7 beings of power, sons of the cycles above, is what they're called. Sort of like the dweller in the beginning of the Emerald Tablets. Like, it doesn't really specify what these people are or where exactly they came from. It's just like, these are not humans. Or, you know, like, these are not human bodies that they wear, you know, just these people were never limited to the body, or they're not now limited to the body. Maybe they're us in the future, I don't know. But the 7 lords, they all have their own powers, and they all have their own, you know, duties, shit to concern themselves with. Like, you know, the Da Vincian principles are 7. And they're essentially the alchemical transformations. You know, the Da Vincian principles are in Italian. So excuse me while I so totally fuck this up. The Fumato embracing the flame is the same as calcination, which is the alchemy version, which is the same as super fucking your life up. You know what I'm saying? Like, those are all the basic levels. It's also represented by Saturn, you know, like, you know, everything, it lines up. And there's like, there's a reason for that. Obviously, there's a reason for that. Okay, so, sorry, here. It's my journal. I'm digging through right now, if you can see. So, here I have, the 7 alchemical symbols, corresponding to the 7, alchemical, you know, components. And then the 7 ruling bodies, ruling planets. And then the 7 chakras. And then the 7 planes of existence. And then over here I have the, you know, tree of life and stuff. So, and how they correspond. And then, you know, but it's like, it gives you sort of an outline, a structure. You know, there will be 7. There will be 7. The 7th sign, the 7th, you know, whatever, the 7 aspects, the 7 processes, you know, like, it lets you know, okay, I'm at 5, you know, I'm in fermentation, I'm in growth, awesome. Now I know what's left. Now I know the path before me, you know, I know I have distillation and then coagulation, awesome, you know, I'm almost there. Like, yes, I'm almost there. But if I didn't know about the 7s, I wouldn't know. I'd be like, fuck, this goes on forever. You know, like, this enlightenment process sucks, you know, but I know where I'm at, so I can keep track of myself and my growth and my progress, and that's better to me anyway. I feel like that's better. But anyway, yeah, so that's kind of as best I can elaborate on the 7s right now. I'm sure there's more that I'm missing. I don't know. I'll answer it at another time.